What up, YouTube? It's Luke W. I'm sorry and I apologize. I can't bring you guys pro content on my Canon 70D right now. The shutter's firing on and off when I try and record a video, so I got to send it in and try and get this fixed up. But as an entrepreneur, I know I got to overcome hurdles and bring videos to you guys anyways. So let's hop into this one. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to bring you some ideas and kind of some concepts you can work with your own product as I share with you kind of my product update. There's my camera still firing on and off again. Damn it. But okay, so as my PPC campaigns have been taken off, I shared with you guys the strategy behind what I was doing to launch my high ticket item. It's pretty much doing a coupon on my product, so it gives me that big yellow badge right below my product. Everyone can see it. It'll say $15 off, save $15 on this product. Hardly any of my competition was using this coupon code action, so I went ahead and did that, and I bid higher for my PPC budget on my automatic campaign, so I was showing up everywhere. I was getting a ton of traffic. Everyone was seeing my product, and they were buying it, guys. And my ACoS in the beginning was around 27%. And if you don't know what an ACoS is, it's an average cost of sales. So that's the percentage of how much money you've spent compared to how much money you've made. And it was kind of high in the beginning, which is not so good. You want to have a low ACoS. That means you're spending a very little amount of money to make a lot of sales. So what I did was I put in negative keywords as an exact match in my automatic campaign. Whenever you're in your campaign, you can click in there and add in negative keywords. Of course, you want to add those in after pulling your ad report and seeing which keywords aren't getting you sales but are wasting you a lot of money. You can plug in those negative keywords, and I'll show you, I'll put up on the screen kind of what my ACoS is looking like for this week and last week and the month to date. I've lowered it down so much. The average thing now for me is 13%. And just yesterday, I had like a 3% ACoS. I spent like $10 and made $300 in sales. So that's what I'm doing. And this is all in an automatic campaign, which is really cool. It's like my mom just came in, dropped me off a little chicken bake from Costco. That's what's up. Guys, I'm promising you, I'm not going to live at home for too much longer. I'm coming up with my Amazon products. I got crazy bundles in store. I got the #1 new release badge on my product right now. And this degree up on the wall, guys, I know that's a good backup plan, but you know, I'm going to hustle it out as an entrepreneur. I'd rather live in the back of my car making a bunch of trials and errors before I make it big, but I'm not going to sign away 40 years of my life. I'll tell you that right now. So pretty much, you know, the PPC strategy, that's what I've been doing to rank up, because I can't do a giveaway with my product. It's just too expensive to really give away to a bunch of people. So I literally only have 3 reviews, but because I use this PPC method, I'm getting crazy sales. It's looking great. I'll pull up a sale report, and yesterday I made 7 sales of my products altogether. I mean, I broke $500 in revenue in one day. That's one of my biggest goals. I haven't done that yet so far, so that's really exciting. I've been talking to a lot of people, and some people have been asking me, Luke, like, what's going down? What are you doing with your products? How are you starting to come up and make all this bank? And I'm like, dude, it took a lot of trial and error kind of, but I wasn't throwing myself into this money pit and just seeing what worked. I was really studying everything I possibly could before I went in and actually did this. So I got my feet wet with cheaper products that I was selling on Amazon, and I pretty much figured out how all that stuff worked before now throwing into some bigger products. And if we just open my computer up right here, we can go see kind of some of the sales reports. I also wanted to share with you guys like some crazy action that's going down with the sales traffic on my products. So if we look here, you guys can see like it shows 34 sessions in the beginning up here. And then next thing I knew, once I started, my product is now on page 1. It's at the bottom of page 1. But my page views went from like the 30s and 40s to now 160 page views, 150, 157, 205, 147. And that's all those page views are correlating with more and more sales for my product. And that's me showing up on the first page. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is kind of my sales summary from yesterday. So you can see here where it says 30 days, I made $5,600, okay? But between 15 and 30 days, so at the beginning of this month, I only made really $1,600 in revenue. And then literally in the last week, I've made over $2,000 in revenue. So I'm really starting to amp up and I'm seeing the progress. And it's so much fun to get into a business like this because you actually can measure your success day by day. I have this other chart here that I also wanted to show you, showing kind of the page views. So you can see how it's all low there. And then this is at the beginning of May. So I was maxing out over there. And then I came over here and I got like 205 page views on the 26th. And now all my page views are up super high. And that's why I'm starting to get a lot more sales on my product. Pretty much that's what it takes, guys. Find a product in a niche that's not highly competitive that you can still make some good money in. I like selling these higher ticket items because I'm able to make a lot more profit while still selling fewer items than if I was making 10 bucks profit, I'd have to sell 300 units a month to make $3,000. Now if I'm making $45, $50 every time I make a sale on my latest product, I'm literally needing to make like 50 sales or a little bit more than that, and I'm making over $3,000 in profit. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and look at the actual sales reports in your Seller Central account. If you go into your reports here and then go down to business reports in Seller Central, you can pretty much click on the sales and traffic business report, and it'll show you all of your page views, all of your sessions. And we can see here, literally my sessions just started to skyrocket towards the end here. I mean, just yesterday I had 129 sessions and 7 ordered items. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. I'm really sorry I can't bring the best HD quality to you guys with my nice camera, but I hope you guys still got a little bit of value from this. Please just drop me more comments, and literally I'm on the phone with people now, like I'm a real dude, I'm out here, and there's people that are like, wow, he actually exists, because some guy DM'd me today. He's like, hey, I want to get started. I'm 17 years old. I want to get started selling on Amazon. He hit me up in a DM. I'm like, dude, just give me a phone call. And I just broke down everything he pretty much needs to get going and all that, and he's hyped. So I'm not going to let anyone get left behind if they come and leave me a comment or anything. I'm going to give you guys the best customer service, the best subscriber service I can possibly give to you guys. I know some of these bigger channels aren't able to do that because they just have too much volume and questions coming in. So when you guys can find a channel kind of like mine with people under 2,000, under 5,000 subscribers, you know, these people are out there. They're really trying to help you guys as much as they can because they're going to help you. And for me, it's building my personal brand. It's building all this other stuff for me at the same time. So when I can help you guys make a difference in your life, it's just going to come around and it's just a win-win situation. So that's why I kind of came up and made an Amazon course, and that's what I shared with my friend. I'm like, yo, if you get this course, straight up, I'm going to give you my phone number, and we can just talk back and forth and jump on the phone with me. When you finish it, I'll give you a 1-hour coaching call, answer all the questions that you had when you took it, and basically jumpstart you like a springboard right into your next step that you need to get going, whether it's product research, talking to your suppliers, if you've already found a product during the course or whatever. But man, I'm freaked out. I mean, I got my little airsoft guns here from, I won this drawings a long time ago, and we got like airsoft guns. And you know, sometimes you just got to blow off some steam, you know, if your camera, your like $2,000 camera just shuts down on you, man, like, damn, that sucks. But we're hustlers, we're entrepreneurs. I'm going to bust out my cell phone, but sorry guys, again, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing refurbished. If you have questions, drop them down below. I did just send in my retail arbitrage shipment not too long ago, and I'm going to use some clips and show you guys a little bit more about what I did with that. But I just sold this $40 alarm clock today that I bought for 20 bucks, so that turned around to a nice profit. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to make it out here, you know? I mean, I've been living in this room for quite a long time, and I think it's about time I make my own living and get out and explore the world and travel. Like, that's the whole reason why I'm doing this in the first place, so I can go travel, do the things I want to do, go skate at any park I want, go out to Cali and just go skate, guys. So if you have questions, hit me up, and I'm very, very available for you guys, especially the students that do hop into my course. And it really helps me if you guys reach out to me, because it keeps me busy, motivated. When I hear you guys, I hear your stories that you want to start doing this. It literally gets me hyped, and I get on the phone, and I'm just stoked to talk to you guys and start to try and change your lives for the better. So thanks again, guys. If you liked the video, drop a thumbs up. It helps YouTube kind of rank my videos a little bit more and stuff like that. But we got some cool caricatures from back in the day talking about Luke don't drink no more tequila. Man, we got OG Luke photos with Santa and stuff with the bowl cut and my bro. Man, this room's got some throwback moments in it, but I'm going to be coming at you guys again soon, so I want to bring more content and bring more value. So peace out, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and hit me up, guys. I'm here for you. Peace out.